Daisy.
Daisy, what do you think of your new
I
home?
don't like it.
Donald, what do you think of it?
No. No. Donald.
No, don't throw the food in the water.
Donald.
Daisy's swimming.
Oh my God. It's okay, Donald. It's okay. Get used to it. Hey, look at Daisy. Oh.
He wants to come home with us.
Oh, Donald. Come here.
Daisy loves it.
Daisy, I just got you. I'm gonna miss you. No.
Hi, Daisy. You like the water and your turtle friends?
Give me some food here.
Donald, come here. Here.
The turtles love ducky food. Mommy, I think.
Donald, come here. Donald, here. Donald. Donald.
She's following.
Donald. Come here. Here, Donald. You want some food?
Oh, that's cool.
You want to meet some new people, Donald and Daisy?